Things about snakes you don't know. 1. Snakes are usually wrapped in precious sandalwood, and most people think that because of its fragrance, snakes reside there. But this is not true because the hearing ability in snakes is not that strong. Actually, the reason behind this is that snakes are creatures who like living in a cold environment, so they are always looking for a place where it is cold and dark. 2. The nature of sandalwood trees is cold. Snakes identify with the help of their tongue and reach the sandalwood trees and make those their place of residence. As the lower part of the sandalwood tree is much cooler than the upper parts, they prefer to remain on the lower part of the stem, that is, the root part. 3. You know that snakes do not have legs, but then how do snakes make their burrows? Actually, the snakes are not able to burrow themselves in where they live. Many times when snakes chase a burrowing creature, they enter their burrow. After that, they eat them, take possession of their house, and start living in it. All kinds of snakes in the world who like to live in cold and dark places instead of making their own home live in pits made by other creatures. 4. Another famous thing about snakes is that snakes are unable to see at night. In such a situation, how do snakes catch their prey very easily during the night? If you look closely, you will see 2 small holes on the face of the snake, which are its special sensors. They have so much capability that they can sense hot things from a long distance. From these holes, the snake gets to know how big is the creature standing in front of it and how much is its body heat. Snakes calculate all these things very easily, and they come to know that their prey is standing in front of them or the hunter. The snake has an amazing ability to identify and attack hot things, which God has given as a gift. 5. Snakes separate their mantle from their body several times throughout the year. But how many times this will happen in a year depends entirely on the snake's age, health, and surrounding environment. The reason for this is that when the length of the snake starts increasing, its outer skin does not grow, due to which it has trouble crawling. Apart from this, his old skin gets dead, and from time to time, it becomes necessary for him to shed it. The process of removing the mantle of a snake is not easy, but it is quite a painful process. But when its skin comes off, its new skin is very nice and glowing. 6. Another famous thing about snakes is that they cannot hear. Indeed, snakes do not have ears, but nature has created a system for hearing in their body. A very small bone is present in their jaws. Through this bone, the snake would feel any sound. Whenever there is any sound around the snake, then this small bone present in the jaw of the snake senses the waves generated due to the sound very easily. However, the hearing ability of snakes is very limited. They can only hear the sound of 200 to 300 hertz. 7. There are more than 3,000 species of snakes found in this whole world. Apart from land, many snakes live in water. You can see some snakes on the top of the trees. Some snakes are poisonous and some are non-venomous. Similarly, some snakes run at the speed of a turtle, while some run very fast. The black mamba found in Africa is the fastest running snake in the world. The black mamba snake runs at a speed of 20 kilometers an hour. They are also quite poisonous because 95% of people die on the spot due to their bite. 8. Apart from black mamba snake, tiger snake, blue crate, Philippine cobra, saw-scaled viper, death adder are poisonous. Talking about the longest snake in the world, python reticulate is the longest snake in the world, which is up to 30 feet. This snake is usually found in Southeast Asia. 9. Although snakes are called dangerous creatures, you will be surprised to know that with time, the craze of keeping snakes in homes is also increasing. In many countries of the world, people keep dangerous snakes as a hobby. This was all about today's video. Please like, share, and comment below. Thank you for watching.